In order to configure a report, again, we'll click on our name and go to Administer, and it will give you a various list of tabs which are able to be reported on. So if we go into enrollments, we'll see the config button here. So the config button will determine the display in which the data is being shown. So for example, it is currently listing the highlighted columns at the moment. Whether you might wish to include submitted date or assessor name for reporting purposes, and you can also bump up the records per page. So by applying that, you can see that it's added extra columns for submitted date and assessor name, and you can even save this for future reference. So you might want to title it and keep it viewable only to portal admins, and that way you might want to report on assessors and making sure they're keeping up to date with their submissions.